YouTube. What's poppin', y'all? I'm about to go get some breakfast, brunch, whatever you call it. I'm trying some new spot. I never tried them before, so hopefully they alright. I kind of want some, I don't know, I kind of want some eggs and bacon and some waffles or some shit. But hopefully I can get some fire shit for them. I'm kind of cruising right now. I just started up off a cold start, so I'm kind of taking it a little easy right now. Then I'm gonna put this bitch on ammo and get the skating on this. I'm not going on the highway. It's gonna be kind of like back roads, not back roads, but like kind of in the back. I'm not getting on the highway. Also, I did take my car up on the lift yesterday. I didn't record it, but I seen what the previous owner did to the car. It wasn't too bad, nothing too crazy. He did a resonate delete or like a mid pipe or something like that. He did something like that to the car. That's why the car is really so loud. I think he had downpipes in here. It was like mid pipes, not he had down pipes. I just woke up, so like I'm trying to like cycle through the shit in my head too. I'm talking to y'all. Yeah, he had some like mid pipes or whatever the fuck in here. That's why the car is so loud. Yeah. Alright, we back, YouTube. I'm gonna push an M1. It's dead fake cold outside right now too. It's like 27. I don't know why it's so cold in March, but it's fake little cold out right now. I really don't want to put in rear-wheel drive, especially how cold it is. My tires cold. I got Pirellis on. There's not all season tires. I think it's straight summer tires. So I don't want to, put it in rear-wheel drive yet. Ooh, hear that turbo? That turbo sound nice in here. I'm gonna put it in M1. Alright, we in M1 right now. I'm gonna let y'all hear the intake soon. But the bridge right there, I'm gonna probably light that bridge up a little bit. I just woke up. I really don't feel like speeding. I really don't. It's kind of like a calm POV. Hear that? I have to give that semi truck. We got the real turbos in here. Man, that shit was shh. I ain't do nothing crazy though. You know what's really bad about doing this YouTube shit? Doing this YouTube shit is like, bro, and recording and driving. Like I like listening to music, so like when it comes to like times like this where I can't listen to music because copyright and shit like that is bad. I mean, I don't get paid from YouTube to give a fuck about copyright, but I realize when I record, like when I have a copyrighted video, my video doesn't do so much views than how non-copyright videos would do. So I'm kind of just like, it's crazy. So I'm kind of just trying to keep off the copyright shit. trying to get my channel out there a little more. But it's only been like 3 days with the car or some shit like that. I'm trying to get the most videos I could. I could. I'm really gonna. I really got some good. I don't got much ideas, but I got some good videos I'm planning ahead. I noticed the 35 zone. Where did he come from? That boy got snow in his car. Who's that? Oh, I thought that was the boys. It's just a fire department though. Gucci. Park up and get in here. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm done. Alright, YouTube. I'm here. I got the car parked in front of me. Look how she sits, man. Oh. Sits nice. Might wait for the food to come. Look back the camera. I got the Bev. It's alright. It's nothing crazy. Look at the camera when I'm back. Food cap. Alright, YouTube, got the food, got some eggs, chicken, sausage, turkey, bacon. Really no pork around here. Got some banana waffles. That shit look mad good. I got the orange juice. I got the M4. Got the M4 instead of watching me. I'm gonna bust shit down and get back to camera. No cap. Alright, YouTube, I bust the shit down. JD so nice. I'm about to use the bathroom. Get up out of here. Continue the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in there. Back up. It's a newer one too. Yeah, I'm about to head back to the crib. Probably edit. Order some shit for the V. No, I'm not ordering nothing crazy yet. I'm ordering this little like interior thing right here. Where it's supposed to say M4 comp, but it don't. I'm ordered that. I'm ordered the little door display thing. Because the one that they put on there is just an M1, which is mad dull. So I'm gonna get one that's at the M4 comp and a little brighter. Then I'm gonna get some cleaning stuff probably. And yeah, I gotta figure out. I'll probably record. I want to record a lot more, so I'll probably record little stuff like that probably. But I'm gonna have to find a video to put it in because I don't want to make any video. I don't want to put the title changing the emblem on my M4 comp. Like, you know, that's doing anything. I'll probably put that part in that getting the tints video probably.